Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how it's you all? I hope you're all fine and good. Lovely viewers, today we'll see in this video modern beautiful bob with bangs haircut designs. Very beautiful and very stylish, unique, modern bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. So, a lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So, guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. You will see in these videos very attractive and very stylish bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. Do you have new ideas of unique haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how is my videos. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. 40 plus stylish girls bob with bangs haircuts. I have uploaded bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, strawberry bob haircuts, and chill length haircuts ideas. Today you will see in this videos modern and stylish different haircuts ideas, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyle designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new unique beautiful bob with bangs haircuts designs. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Very beautiful and very stylish, unique, beautiful haircuts designs. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircuts designs. So my channel is all about stylish haircuts. Watch my full videos and share my videos and enjoy new attractive unique haircuts. So viewer, you will see in this video stylish short bob with bangs haircuts designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see stylish, beautiful bob haircuts ideas and different haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyle designs. So I will meet you in next videos.